Here with Sandra Higgins, the leader of the GoVeganWorld campaign and also Eden Animal Sanctuary. How did you start this campaign?
It's all inspired by the residents here at Eden, and it's an opportunity for them to come out on the streets, real individuals with names and histories like Claudia, like Pixie and Richard, for them to go out on the street and ask the world for us to stop using them for any reason, to go vegan, and to go vegan completely and to go vegan right now, because it's easy and it's the right thing to do.
There's revolution in the high street. Eden's here to spread the word. The sanctuary rescued want their message to be heard. Displays demand attention, moving pictures catch our eye. Go vegan slogans everywhere, from pavement up to sky. The rescued speak in silence while their story captures hearts, turning appetites away from eating slaughtered body parts. Now the milk ads on the telly, dairy shame for all to view. Please make the change today and become vegan, vegan you.